Property management has been consistently evolving over the years. In the era of digital solutions, property management software has become an indispensable tool for real estate professionals. Among such solutions, DoorLoop and SimplifyEM have emerged as two strong contenders, each showcasing their unique set of advantages. Both have been meticulously crafted to elevate property management tasks, enhancing productivity and the user experience. This video will highlight the strengths, features, and pricing structures of both. That way you can decide which of the two might be right for you. With that said, let's strap in. Welcome back, Loopers. It's Mohammed Obugosh with DoorLoop. Stick around to the end to see how you can get a discount on our software. Before we begin, let's talk about the criteria for our comparison. Number one is the strengths. This section will go over the core advantages and unique selling points of each software. Whether it's the user interface, customer service, or integrated capabilities, understanding these strengths gives potential users a clear picture of the distinct benefits that they can expect. Number two will be the features. Beyond just the basic tools, this segment will dive into the functionalities that both platforms offer. Here we're going to explore how each software can potentially revolutionize the daily operations of property managers and landlords. And of course, no software comparison would be complete without talking about the pricing. Financials can be a deal breaker. However, it's essential to understand that pricing isn't solely based on the cost, but the value you get in return. By analyzing the pricing models and comparing them against the features offered, this section will offer clarity on the return on investment that users can anticipate. When it comes to DoorLoop, its main strength is that it's clear and upfront about pricing, so users know the cost from the beginning. They're also known for having quick customer support and empowering users. Positive reviews on platforms like G2, Capterra, and Trustpilot show their commitment to providing great service. SimplifyEM's key strategy is flexibility. Users can customize their property management experience, making it suitable for landlords or large property management firms. And now we get to the features. DoorLoop offers a comprehensive property management solution. It syncs in real time with QuickBooks for updated financial information. It provides tools for custom reports, handling maintenance requests, and communicating with tenants. It's also mobile friendly, allowing for property managers to work on the go. And don't overlook this one, because DoorLoop also integrates with other various tools to become a central hub for property management. When it comes to SimplifyEM's features, they focus on providing a strong foundation of property management tools. Users can add on more features as their needs change, like integrating with QuickBooks for finances or tools for communicating with tenants. So it offers both the basics and the ability to expand. And now we can get into the pricing. When it comes to DoorLoop's pricing structure, it offers transparency. Their all-inclusive pricing strategy ensures that users have access to a broad spectrum of tools at a straightforward rate. Their initial pricing for the first 20 units is at $49 per month, but depending on the size of your business and the features that you need, it can go all the way up to $149 per month as well. And at that price, you'll get access to the premium plan with DoorLoop's most advanced features. With these options in mind, DoorLoop is a compelling choice for those seeking premium tools at a competitive rate. When it comes to SimplifyEM's pricing structure, they offer a fresh take on pricing with its flexible approach. Their pricing starts at $35 for the first 10 units and scales up from there. Now, as users scale up or require additional functionality, the modular design allows them to incorporate these at varied prices. This model ensures both cost effectiveness for newcomers and comprehensive tool sets for veterans, and strikes a harmonious balance between the two. To wrap things up, choosing a property management software might seem overwhelming, but having clear insights makes it easier. DoorLoop is a strong all-in-one solution with many tools and some advanced features, clear pricing, and solid support. On the other hand, SimplifyEM is flexible and robust, able to adapt and grow with users. Like we mentioned earlier, each platform has its own strengths, and the right choice depends on your specific needs, the size of your operation, and your budget. If you think DoorLoop might be the right fit for you, then you can click the special link below in our description to schedule your free demo with one of our account executives. Right now, we are offering a limited time discount at the link below if you choose to sign up. But whatever you decide to do, we hope you found this video helpful. We'll see you soon, Loopers.